Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Google Pay on iPhone. Google Pay is a digital wallet that allows you to make payments online and in stores using your iPhone. To get started, you will need to download the Google Pay app from the App Store. First, open the App Store and search for Google Pay. Then select the app and click the Get button to download it. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one directly from the app. Next, you will need to add a payment method to your Google Pay account. You can add a credit or debit card, or a PayPal account. To add a card, go to the Payment Methods tab and click the Add Payment Method button. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After adding a payment method, you will need to verify your card. You will receive a verification code from your bank, which you will need to enter into the Google Pay app. Once your card is verified, you can start using Google Pay to make payments. To make a payment, open the Google Pay app and select the payment method you want to use. You can then use the app to generate a virtual card number, which you can use to make online payments. To make in-store payments, you will need to use the Google Pay app in conjunction with your iPhone's NFC capabilities. To use Google Pay in a store, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and the Google Pay app is open. Hold your iPhone near the payment terminal and you will see a prompt to confirm the payment. You can then authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your iPhone passcode. Best practices for using Google Pay on iPhone include keeping your device and app up to date, using strong passwords and authentication methods, and monitoring your account activity regularly. You should also be aware of the transaction limits and fees associated with using Google Pay. In conclusion, using Google Pay on iPhone is a convenient and secure way to make payments online and in stores. By following these steps and best practices, you can start using Google Pay today and take advantage of its many benefits. Remember to always keep your account and device secure, and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions.